Here's video number 3. For this one, we're going to talk about robotic arms. Pretty simple. So in the last video, we talked about motors and you use the move steering. So if you're using a medium motor, which is EV3 or the newer robots, you're going to use this one all the way to the left, and you can kind of see it looks like the motor itself. If you have a large motor, which could have like the orange or the red circle, those are used for your wheels, but they can also be used for arms. These both are the blocks that you're going to use. So for this, you just click and drag it up, and you're going to link it right into your software. Let's look at the checklist here. Move the arm up, move the arm down. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, go into your notes. Let's make D our arm. Okay, so this one, same deal. Off, on for seconds, on degrees, on rotations. Power, 75. You make it faster, slower, whatever you want. If it's slower, it's usually more precise, so you can do smaller movements accurately. Number of rotations. You make sure that it's D, so it matches up with your arm, and that's it. That's really all it is. Now, if you have a positive 75, it's going to move one direction. Let's just say positive 75 speed will move this way. Negative 75 speed, negative, would be the other way. So, same idea. Positive is one direction, negative is the other. The only thing that you have to consider, and the reason I put this in, can your arm move one rotation or 360 degrees? So if you start running a program and your robot is unable to finish the command, it's not going to move on to the next step. So if right here, you don't have to use this, but if I wanted my robot to make one rotation before playing a sound, if the body gets in the way, so if its arms are like this, and you tell it to do one rotation and it hits itself, it's not going to move on to the sound. If your arm is free to move 360 degrees, that's one thing. But for the most part, you're going to need a smaller rotation. So for me, I usually do 2.25. That usually does the trick. But you can test it out. You can go more precise if you need to. So that makes your challenge. Make your robot drive over the line, get the package, pick it up, and return to the starting line. Okay, so you're going to have to build an arm using a motor, and then programming it using either this or medium motor. Same rules apply. Good luck.